Hello again. This is my second filming in the product review section, and this is one of my favorite items. It is the Graco Pack and Play. The good thing about this item is that it really helped me, go through the times when I had no help. I had no third person taking care of my baby. My husband was in the office. My in-laws or my parents were not available at that time, so it's a really safe option where you can put your baby in and give him a lot of toys. He plays, he explores, and you can put some sounds or some music or some TV in the background for him to be busy with while you have to do some of your own work like everyday adult duties. The best part about this item that it's basically meant for your travel. So every time we go to our friend's place or to my baby's grandparents' place, which is in a different town and city, we can take it and carry this with us in the flight, and this weighs around 8 kgs, but trust me, it's worth it, because whenever you go outside you don't have a crib with a baby, and you always have that thing where he might fall down from the bed. So it's better to make him sleep in this option, either for your daytime naps or even for the nighttime if you're comfortable with it. So even if somebody is not around to watch him all the time in his room, you have some kind of safety around your baby. So this is not a how to use this item. I'm just going to review this product and tell you whether it's worth spending the amount, because this is an expensive item. This actually folds from here, so there are 4 buttons like this on each side. Let me show you. And there is one here and there is one on the other side as well. So all these 4 buttons, when you press, it actually goes down and the base comes off, and it's very flexible and it actually becomes a long rectangle. So it becomes compact and you can carry it anywhere. So if we are traveling to a friend's place for some kind of an outing, we always make sure that we carry our Graco Pack and Play, and it's really very useful. The best part about it, it's not one of those items which will just come to you handy for around 3 to 6 months. It's one of those items which might last up to 2 to 3 years, or until your baby is around 15-16 kgs. So 15 kgs is the weight recommended for this item. After that you can't really use it, but I plan to use it for storing all his toy boxes. And of course this is very flexible and easy to store, so I can always make it compact and store it in the storage until I can hand it down to somebody I know. The red mats that you see is actually my own. I put it there because the original mat is a bit hard and it's not very soft for the baby to sleep in. So I just put a small thin layer of playing mat on it so he can play and hang around in this item. This is the foldable base, and you have the option of actually totally sticking it inside and making it secure. Graco actually advises for your baby to sleep on this because there might be a risk of suffocation otherwise if you put some heavy mattress or anything inside, but it's fine if you want to put a really thin layer of soft padding so that baby can sleep well. Overall, this product is an expensive buy on any of the websites like Amazon, but I suggest going for it because it's one thing is that you can use it for 3 years. Other thing is that's good for baby safety, and if you don't have anybody to look after your baby, like a joint family or other people around always, or a maid or a nanny, then you can always bank on this. Because if I have to use the washroom or anything else, I put my baby in this item for 2 minutes, 5 minutes, however long he'll stay in, and I'm tension free for that 5 minutes. So I think it's a wonderful item to go. It's a bit expensive, so again you can go for it in the secondary market. You can always buy it on websites like OLX, but otherwise I strongly suggest using this product. And let me tell you, I'm not affiliated with any of these brands that I'm taking name till now, so it's a personal recommendation. Thank you so much.